When you watch this video, it means you're going to get 12 cents. When you watch this one over here, you're going to get 13 cents, 11 cents, 5 cents, 12 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents, 16, 12, 16, 16, 10, 12, and you can earn this money unlimited. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel once again. My name remains Richie, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money by just watching YouTube videos. As you can see for the dashboard, I'm on micro tax or micro working site. So the name of this platform I'm going to use today is microworkers.com. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can click on it and then land to this place. So all I need to do is to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and then turn on notification bell so that whenever I drop one amazing video like this, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly, guys. So let me take you through the sign up process, and then right after that you go. So let me log out from my account and then show you how you can create your account on microworkers.com. So I'll leave the link in the description below. So if you are new, you click on register. So I'll click on register. Since we are new over here, I'll click on register and show you how you can create an account with this platform. So I've clicked on register, and then it's going to take me to the registration dashboard, and then I'll take you through the sign up process and then how you can sign up an account. So all you need to do is to type in your first name, middle name is optional, your last name, and then gender is optional. Gender, whether you are male or female or transgender, you can select it. And then your company name is your nickname, so it's also optional. So date of birth, you input in your date of birth. Address, put in your address. The address zip code for Ghana is 00233. So if you don't know your zip code, you can go to Google and search for your zip code in your country. Right after that, you choose your city, your origin, or state. Choose your country. Right after that, all you need to do is to omit all these things, and then click on all you need to do is to verify your email, and right after that your account will be created. And right after creating your account, you're going to land on the dashboard like what you're about to see right now. So I'll log into my account and then show you how everything works. So let me log into my account. So because we are here to see how you can watch YouTube video and then make money, you just have to filter by click on video and music sharing platform. So I'll click on that, and then it will land us to where you can watch videos and then earn money, and you're good to go. So you can see the taxes over here. You can earn 5 cents, 11, 17 cents, 12 cents, and right now I think people are doing it, and these jobs keeps coming in. So sorry for the noise. Yes, these jobs keeps coming in. So guys, you can basically do this and then earn money. So let me click on the first tax over here. I just it says YouTube, search, subscribe, turn on notification bell icon. So and then this one says watch plus like and then comment, and then this one says watch plus like plus comment. So watch plus like plus share, screenshot, and then you send them this proof that you've done it. And this one is CPA, YouTube, search, watch, like, comment, subscribe, and then share. So you can see over here. So let me click on the first one that says we should watch and then turn on notification bell, subscribe to the channel, and then turn notification bell. So all you need to do is to read here how the worker, what is expected from the worker, and then you have seconds over here that is reading. Right after that, you need to click on this, or you can watch the screenshot of that. It says the username of Ivan Mares. You can this thumbnail profile, so you can look at the thumbnail that the person is talking about, and go to YouTube. You copy this link, paste it in your browser, and then you can see the thumbnail. So let me copy this by clicking on highlighting everything, and then search for what the person is talking about. So you can see the thumbnail that the person is talking about, and when you go to YouTube, you search and then find that thumbnail, just like and then subscribe to the channel, and then you send or you screenshot the video. So if you're using computer, you can use the snip tool. If you're using Windows 10, you can use the snip tool. Yes, and the snip tool will help you to take screenshots. So the snip tool is over here. All you need to do is to click on new, and then you take screenshot like this. So this is what the person is talking about. The person is having 8.2k 82,000.1k subscribers, and then the person has 140 videos. So you can look at this video profile picture over here. Right after that, you go back to YouTube and then search for this thumbnail, and all you need to do is to make sure you are picking the right YouTube channel. The YT stands for YouTube, and then you won't be paid. So if you don't search for that then you won't be paid, and then click on subscribe and then turn on notification bell, and right after that you can come to this side. So if you want to do this, all you need to do is to accept this job and your form will be open. So all you need to do is to click on this, and then they're going to accept you, and you can earn money by doing that. So somebody may ask, how can I get my money into my account, or how can I withdraw my money? So all you need to do right after that, you come to withdraw. And then you click on place a new withdrawal. So as you can see, these are the payment method of this platform, and it says you need to earn the minimum withdrawal is $5 instead of $9. They've changed things. At first it was $9, and now they've changed it to $5. So this platform is very working. So if you want to deposit into your local bank account, all you need to do is to get $10, and then processing fee is 10%. So it means you're going to get $9 as your profit. So and then onto you have to get $9, and then processing fee is 10%. So PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, ATM, and all these platforms, all these payment method, you can use it to withdraw your money depending on the country that you are in, because in the certain country, if you use bank transfer, your money is going to last at least forever. You're not going to receive your money. So what you need to do is to do that, and then right after placing your withdrawal, you wait for confirmation, and boom, your money will be in your account in the next business days, or 10 or 5 business days, and you can get your money into your account instantly. So guys, this is how you can make money online with this platform, and let me show you whether they have an affiliate program or not. So let's look at let me move on to account. So with these people, I don't think they have an affiliate program where you can invite people and then make money with this platform. So I'll keep on searching for it, and right after I see this, then I'll get back to you guys. So all I urge you to do is to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification bell, so when I drop a new video like this, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly, guys. So as I always say, until I see my next video, don't forget I do love you guys, and bye bye for now, and then see you in my next video. Thank you very much for your time. See you guys.